Learn to solve proportion problems with this quick example. The ratio of blueberries to strawberries in a smoothie recipe is 2:3. If you have 1.5 cups of blueberries, how many cups of strawberries should you add? Let's write this ratio of blueberries to strawberries as a fraction. So blueberries to strawberries is equal to 2:3. Now let's set up a proportion. 2:3 is equal to 1.5 to x. X is the number of cups of strawberries. Look here, we have blueberries on top, strawberries on the bottom. We are consistent. So we set up a proportion. What is a proportion? Proportion is when two ratios are equal to each other. Now, to solve the proportion and find the x, we cross multiply. So 2 times x is equal to 3 times 1.5. 3 times 1.5. And now we have an equation. So we have 2x is equal to 3 times 1.5 will be 4.5. What do we do next? We divide both sides by 2, right? So 2x divided by 2 will be x. And on the right side, 4.5 divided by 2 will be 2.25. So we found that for 1.5 cups of blueberries, we will need 2.25 cups of strawberries. But what does it mean, 2.25? It means 2 1/4 cups. But how do we know that 0.25 is 1/4? Look here, 0.25 we can write as 25 over 100, right? Then we can reduce this fraction by dividing numerator and denominator by 25. 25 divided by 25 is 1. 100 divided by 25 is 4. So 0.25 is equal to 1/4. So if you have 1.5 cups of blueberries, you will need 2.25 or 2 1/4 cups of strawberries. Did this video help you? Smash the like button and keep up the good work.